Welcome to OEM Update. I'm here in St. Augustine, Florida for the launch event of the Royal Enfield Classic 650. Now this is the same 650 engine that's in the Interceptor 650, but this is tuned completely different, specific for this bike. Got a long ride ahead of me today. We're going to be all over the Southern Florida area. Stick with me. We'll check it out together. In February, I was lucky enough to be invited to St. Augustine, Florida for the Royal Enfield 125th anniversary celebration and the U.S. launch of the Royal Enfield Classic 650.
We are in 2026 celebrating our 125th anniversary as a brand, right? Oldest brand of motorcycles in continuous production. So in addition to that year for 2026 making it special is the launch of the all-new Classic 650.
The folks at Royal Enfield gave us an amazing presentation of the company's history and a look at the milestone bikes that have defined their brand throughout the years. It really was an incredible presentation, and I learned a ton about the history of British motorcycling. After our walkthrough time, the fun really started. We finally got a chance to sit on and ride the Classic 650, and I gotta say, my first impression was that these bikes were beautiful. They're kind of a modern take on the classic Bullet design, but with that sweet Royal Enfield 650 twin platform.
The Classic 350 has been a best-selling model for us in North America over the last several years, and the only complaint, if you want to call that, for the Classic 350 is, hey, can you make it with a little bit bigger engine? What about putting the twins on here? So we were already in process, we were already in development on that.
I had a quick buzz around the square before we headed out. I gotta say, this thing has a lot more power than I expected. It's got a nice little punch whenever you kind of kick into it. Went into it a little bit fast around the corner there, and man, it was no problem. This thing's, for being a bike this size, it's very nimble. And like that, we were off on our ride. Now, before we get too far in this, let's go through the numbers. The Royal Enfield Classic 650 is using the 648cc 4-stroke inline twin engine that you'll find in several of the Royal Enfield bikes. It sports a 6-speed transmission.
It's the proven 650 platform for us that you'll see, or you've already seen, right, on the Shotgun, the Super Meteor, the Bear 650 as well, and then the INT and the Continental GT as well. So, it's worked really well for us. So it really lends itself to, what we're trying to achieve here with the Classic 650 in terms of, reliable, sturdy power, but the design elements that have been with us as a brand, for many, many decades, starting with the Bullet in 1932.
It makes fairly good power without being too harsh or punchy. I found it quick to get off the line, but it is by no means a speed demon. It's got it where it counts, and that's all it really needs. This bike is clearly made for that nice, smooth ride. It makes 47 brake horsepower at 7,150 RPM with 38 foot-pounds of torque at 5,250 RPM. The bike weighs in at around 540 pounds wet, so that 650 engine is powerful enough to move, but doesn't push you past your limits. Now, I'm in no way a towering giant. I'm all of 5'7" with a 30-inch inseam. This bike has a seat height of around 31.5 inches, so I was able to almost flat-foot it, but not completely. There's something about the geometry of this bike that makes it feel, well, stable. And since we're talking geometry, the riding posture on this bike is very comfortable. With a well-designed frame, wonderfully positioned handlebars, and a super comfortable seat, I could absolutely see this being a weekend getaway bike as well as a daily commuter. It comes standard with both front and rear suspension by Showa that they said made bumps feel like nothing. So I put it to the test. They were completely right. The Classic 650 felt smooth and stable through the bumps and the potholes. Now let's talk fit and finish. Obviously, this bike is gorgeous. At launch, Royal Enfield is offering these 3 colors in the US.
So we have the black and chrome here, really classic combination. And if you can get the details as well, we do maintain the hand pinstriping craftsmanship that's done in Chennai, India. Really neat, and you can see that as well on the teal colorway too, is the hand pinstriping. And then to round it off would be the Vellum red.
They come with a super cool retro analog speedometer, but also sports a built-in GPS that syncs with Google Maps for turn-by-turn directions.
So we do have the turn-by-turn tripper here that links up to the Royal Enfield app. It's still about pure motorcycling for us. We still want it to be accessible, non-complicated, easy to ride, get on and off.
But as usual, at the end of the day, all I really care about is the ride. And let me tell you, this bike does not disappoint. The Classic 650 has such a comfortable ride. There's no pressure on this thing. It just gets you down the road in a wonderfully chill kind of way. It's got the power to get you around and out of any situation you might find yourself in, but doesn't make a big deal about itself. It's not aggressive or shouty. It's just, well, beautiful. It's beautiful to look at clearly, but the ride itself is just so beautiful. It's laid back and casual. It's everything I would look for in a modern retro bike. It has all the retro charm with all the modern creature comforts that modern bikes should have, without all the other modern things that get in the way. And all this for a price that you would expect out of a Royal Enfield.
We're talking all three colors, MSRP starting price $7,499, right? So less than $8,000. So we're talking $7,500 US here for all of this chrome, all of this legacy, nostalgia, all this proven power with the 650 engine. We think there's a ton of value here.
I guess after 125 years, Royal Enfield knows how to make their bikes amazing and still keep their prices down. Starting
on the 26th, this will be available, the Classic 650, for pre-sale, so customers can make deposits with dealerships to secure, one of the first that come in April to dealerships. So the pre-sale will run from February 26th through March 31st. So very highly anticipated model. Expecting a lot of demand, a lot of interest for this. Maybe biggest question is which color is going to be most popular. If you're looking for a really cool bike that rides easy and won't break the bank, click on over to royalenfield.com, or better yet, talk to your local Royal Enfield dealer and schedule a test ride. There's a ton of accessories available to customize your ride and keep your new ride looking sharp. I'd like to thank Nathan and the fine folks at Royal Enfield for inviting me to this launch event and giving me an incredible history lesson. Royal Enfield, here's to the next 125 years.